Hope you're doing good. So today I'm going to be reviewing this product, and I felt like I should start from here. So this is how it is. So on the website it shows that it's an acne laser. So I checked, and I will be showing you guys what it does. Absolutely, it does pretty much nothing. But again, if you've used it and it worked for you, please show me how. Just show me the way, okay? Anyway, this is it. This is how it is. It's a blue light, so you have to, it uses battery. This is the battery section. So here, so I'm just going to get my battery and going to put it. All right, so I'm supposed to on it here, so you could see that it shows blue lights and it makes this sound. You could hear it, right? Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm going to show you how I go about it. So what you're going to do is just going to place it on where your scar is. So like I said, I place it on where my scar is, and it's pretty much doing nothing aside from that hotness sensation. It's for some time now, you now start noticing some hotness around it. Aside from that, it does nothing. All right, so yeah, like I said, it does absolutely nothing much for me. But if you leave it long enough, you'll notice that the place is a bit hot. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's go right into the video.
You already know it's your girl Farida, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're just watching this video because of this topic, please, before you go in, can you do us a favor, me a favor? It should mean the world to me, by subscribing to this channel. Here I talk about my scar journey, how I've used Picosecond, this baby here, to gradually fade off my scar. You get, I did a whole extensive video on it, so you might want to check it out. So, and also I do reviews too. I review some products so that you don't get to use them. So when I review them, you know whether you want to go for them or not. So yes, and also I talk extensively. I want to introduce vlogs and also other topics to this channel, so you might want to stick out. It is going to be one interesting channel this year. I intend to incorporate a whole lot more on this channel, so you might want to watch out for this channel. So please subscribe to this channel, send this video to somebody you feel is going to like this video. All right, so someone explained, and one more thing, we now sell a Picosecond. We now sell this we now sell the Picosecond machine. We now sell it and we deliver nationwide. We sell our scar fading products. If you need it, we've done nationwide delivery. You could hack. So you could check out our platform, and you're definitely going to get see that. So we do nationwide delivery on this So if you need this is a new one that will soon be shipping out. I decided to show you on this video so you can have an idea. Yes, we do sell Picosecond right now. So if you need any of this, just let me know. Now, it's not compulsory you must buy from me. No, there are other platforms you could go and check out. We are just selling original ones. There are lots of fake in the market right now, so you don't want to go and put your money in somewhere you feel like it's cheaper but it's useless. Someone got something like this, the same thing. It looks like the same thing, put in the same box. She used it once, twice, and that thing burned. I have been using my own for quite some time, and nothing is still there. I've used it for like almost 2 years or 3, and it's still there. So you want to invest on something that is good, is original. So if you need an original Picosecond, you need to reach out to us. All right. So yes. So I'll be doing a video on the difference between this and this. All right. You could see this is a Picosecond laser pen, and this is an Acne laser. If you check some of the reviews, they will tell you that it's a laser. When you put a laser, because they will tell you it's a scar something, whatever. So I bought this so that I could check it out, so that you don't get to buy them. And hopefully, if you want to buy them, you can still go for them. Okay, I'm not here to bash any products. All right, I'm just going to give you my honest opinion. If you want to go for them, please be my guest. Okay, so this and this, what's the comparison and what's the difference? Comparison is that they both have blue lights. When you put them, the blue light. Now the difference is a lot of differences. Now that's the comparison, I think, and they both bear laser. You get, that's the the similarities. This has blue light, and this one also has a blue light. So yes, those are the similarities that both of them had. Now the difference right now, this is a picosecond. This can be used for this is a blue light actually, so it can be used for scar, it can be used for hypertrophic scar, atrophic scar, you get, depending on whichever one you fall, the category you fall into. So you can use them for it. You can use them for keloid scar. They gradually fade off scar, and they should not be used alone. I've said tons of videos, if you need a scar fading product, we sell them. They should be used alongside with products and oils that are going to help with the whole process. You go to help with the healing process and every other thing. Now, if you, I talk extensively on this, and if you want to watch it, please go ahead and watch them. Every time you use a picosecond, what it does is that it regenerates a new skin. It's kind of injures the new one, the old one, and regenerates a new skin. So the more you use them accurately and efficiently, you're going to see it shrinking. You get. Well, this is a blue light, and it blinks and it works. I don't really see much work of it. Again, I am open to for someone, if someone uses it and it works for them, please drop in the comment section. I want to learn. All right, I may be doing it wrong, but it didn't really work so much for me. I'm open to learn and try out other options. So what you do is that in the previous video I showed you how you can use it. It has a battery section here. You just put it. While this one does not use battery, it uses light. You have to plug it, and it works. I've done tons of video on how you could go about that. So yes, they are not to be compared. This is very, very highly, very effective. While this, I'm still trying to figure it out, because right now it didn't work so much for me. All right, so yeah, that is it. If you want more extensive video on this one, please be my guest. Watch any of those videos. I've done tons of videos, plenty of them, so that I don't get it wrong. The reason why I do videos a lot about picosecond is that I believe that I'm responsible at some point for you guys, for passing information, good ones, not just pass information. I want it to be a good one. I want, if I'm telling you you should get something that's going to help you. That is why it's very important when you're getting picosecond, don't just get in and start using it without, sometimes you should consult the person that advised you to get it. My lines are free. They are always open. I may not respond immediately, but definitely I'll respond to you. Please always do some research before you start using them. Okay, there are two different sides. There's a red light and there's a blue light. So I think this one only has blue light, so when you use it, it just blinks. What it does is blink. I've done a video on that. It just blinks, that's all. That's the only thing it does. So I didn't really see so much, but as time goes on, you notice like a heat radiation. You just notice a heat sensation, and yeah, that's pretty much what I noticed about it. I've not used it so long, but I used it pretty okay to be able to come out and say a little bit of a review on it. So yeah, that's the difference between both of them. That's the video. That's the topic for today. Thank you so much for sticking. If you watched this to this point, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I'm so grateful. Thank you for your love. Before you go, please subscribe if you haven't. If you've been receiving daily, if you've been receiving information from this channel and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. It costs nothing to support somebody, a girl that is trying to grow in YouTube. So please subscribe to this channel, and if you need any of our products, you can always reach out to me. I'll send them across to you. We deliver nationwide. Chat me up on Rita Organic Skincare, or you can chat me up on my personal page. She's Farida, and I'll reach out to you. Thank you so much for everything. You guys are the very best, and God bless you. Have a great day. Yeah, bye.